Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Studio open and panels visible. Create a local script under Starter Player Scripts now. This runs for every player. In that script, connect a function to player. Character added so you act right when the character spawns. Once done, get the newly created character instance and remove or replace any existing body colors object. That immediate hook ensures you don't override custom outfits later and prepares the character so your color changes apply every time the player spawns. Now you set the actual colors. Create instance. New, body colors. Inside the character, added handler and assign each part using brick color. New, bright red or any brick color name. Set head color, left arm color, right arm color, torso color, left leg color, right leg color. Once configured, parent that body colors object to the character and remove the old body colors if it exists. This directly changes the default shirt/body color client-side immediately. And because it runs on spawn, every player gets the same base color automatically. Finish by testing and play, start and play here to verify behavior. If colors don't appear, first confirm the local script is inside Starter Player Scripts, and that character added is firing. Sometimes custom outfits or uploaded shirt/graphic assets override body colors. If that happens, make sure to remove conflicting shirt objects, or, alternatively, create a humanoid description and apply it to the humanoid to force uniform clothing. One key tip: test both client and server play modes because replication differences can hide issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.